The little air bubbles that form, sign of a really good dosa.
Oh, I love.
This dance of soft and crisp, it's too good. I think these deserve to be eaten first because the crunch is important and that's only when they are hot.
I agree. जहाँ पे बैटर इतना अच्छा है, डोसा इतना अच्छा है, what do you expect is
A simple preparation, homely preparation. Peanuts, chana dal, onion.
चलो, let's go. So मुंबई में इंस्टाग्राम में एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है बेन्ने डोसा का, बट आई फील डोसा का ट्रेंड तो हमेशा से था. डोसा वाज ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कल्चर ऑफ मुंबई.
एब्सोल्युटली. डोसा खाना, उडुपी में जाना, ये हम क्या, हमारे पहले से भी लोग बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं. लेकिन अब ये जो इवॉल्व अपग्रेडेड डोसा वर्जन है, इसको हम ट्राई करेंगे.
ट्राई करने वाले
एट अ न्यूली ओपन रेस्टोरेंट इन वर्सोवा कॉल्ड कर्नाटका
टिफिन रूम.
चलो.
लेट्स गो. तो KTR के अंदर है एंड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डोसास
There are so many dosas.
yeah, and a Bombay person just knows like dosa and masala dosa.
और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा
Of
ऑल टाइम
course.
फेवरेट cuisine है.
Soul food for Prachi.
सोल फूड टोटली.
Yeah.
इन बेबीज के साथ इंट्रोडक्शन कराने के लिए लेट्स कॉल द
The
वन हू
owner.
मेड देम.
Yes, please.
Hi.
Hi,
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 this is
Saurabh.
Saurabh
Hi.
from
Hi.
Karnataka Tiffin Room.
Room. KTR.
And what are we having here?
Okay, so this is a open dosa.
Open dosa.
Davangiri dosa. This is the masala Davangiri masala dosa. That's Davangiri set dosa, and this is the Davangiri sada dosa.
Sada dosa.
And we have puliogre along with the medu vada.
मेदू वड़ा. But why ये मसाला में कुछ तड़का? There's no masala in the masala.
Yeah, so basically this is the aloo sabzi which is served with the Davangiri dosa is called palya.
Okay.
And it is
Palya.
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 And it's basically a smashed potato with just salt and boiled onion mixed with it.
Oh, that's a boiled onion.
Yes, and it is made with the Nandini butter.
Oh, all the way from there.
Yes.
Even in Mumbai. अच्छा ये बताइए डोसे तो अलग अलग है.
हाँ, but even the batter is sort of looking
Are they
a
all
little
made from
different.
the same batter?
Yes, so these are made from the batter which is made basically for Davangiri dosas. The idea is basically the key differentiation is the batter, how it is made and the composition of the batter and what all it goes into the batter. So there's a difference than the regular dosas, the bene dosas, which you meet.
So what all goes into the batter?
So it starts with the rice, then urad dal, murmura.
Which is the base for any.
Yes, rice and urad dal is
Yeah.
the base.
Base.
The additional part which goes is to methi dana and murmura.
Oh.
And murmura, which is going to be quite a differentiating
Which is puffed
factor
rice.
Yeah, puff rice.
in the texture and the crunch of the dough.
Nice.
अब काफ़ी बातें हो चुकी है
Yes.
and
So Saurabh, thank you so
शुरू
much.
करेंगे हम.
We are now going to
Attack.
And
attack.
This is the open dosa
Yes.
and we are gonna grab it and buy it. A little bit of the mash,
Palya.
palya, a little bit of the sukha chutney
Thank you.
and a touch of
No,
butter. Oh, this sukha chutney is quite interesting.
Sukha chutney, you mean by this?
Yeah, so this chutney is like a dry version, like a concentrated version, I think. It's fab and it has the chili comes like a later hit.
इसका बैटर जो है ना, like I know it is soft, but at the same time थोड़ा सा एक crunch भी है.
Absolutely. और उसके सेंटर का जो लेयर है, I don't know if I'll be able to explain it in words. This is crunchy, this is soft, and what lies in the middle is a little gooey, slimy,
Yeah,
which is damn delicious. जो part actually rise होता है जब डोसा cook हो रहा होता है. That's delicious.
Okay, अभी एक last bite and then
तो हम मुंबई वालों को मसाला डोसा के मसाले में जो आलू की सब्ज़ी आती है उसमें स्पाइसेस, चिलीज़, कड़ी पत्ता, तड़का सबकी आदत है. बट आई डिड नॉट मिस इट इन दिस.
बट मैं बोल रहा हूँ आदत बदलो बिकॉज ये बेटर है.
नो, ये भी बहुत अच्छा
No,
है.
so
It's a
I'll
good
tell you
change.
what. I'll tell you what. Maybe इस तरह के डोसे के साथ ये बेटर लग रहा है, but I prefer it this way.
मुझे लगता है इसका एडवांटेज एक है क्योंकि इस आलू पालिया में अपना कोई पर्सनालिटी ऐसा नहीं है. यू आर एक्चुअली एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड टेस्ट द फ्लेवर ऑफ द डोसा, द टेक्सचर ऑफ द डोसा, द डिफरेंट चटनीज विच ओवरपावर्स व्हेन यू ईट द मसाला वाला भाजी.
वाह क्या टाइगर है. दिस इज द मसाला डोसा.
And if I'm right, this is garlic chutney. Ooh, itna jalidar. Can you see? The little air bubbles that form, sign of a really good dosa.
Oh, I love this. I slightly prefer this to this, the masala dosa.
But I want to try this tomato chutney. Tomato chutney. Oh wow. Superb tomato chutney. I love the texture of this dosa. This has more crunch than the previous one, than the open dosa. But this garlic duck chutney is quite a differentiator.
Yes.
Mohit, तुझे याद है when we went to Mysore
Yes,
and
of
we
course.
had Mailari dosa?
Of course.
This dosa is reminding me a lot of that experience.
Similar.
Texture and
Texture,
softness and
And also it's cooked on a wood-fired tawa.
how can we forget we tried it?
Oh yeah. We did and we failed.
Which is an art and a science because वो तवे का temperature without gas to control it and keep it right is really hard. But this one is definitely crispier than Mailari.
Yeah.
Like Mailari by far is the softest melt in your mouth dosa I've ever eaten. But this
True.
is a delicious dosa with a mild crisp to it.
कुछ तो बैटर में महिलाई डोसा के फर्क होगा. Anyway, this is the khali dosa because it is empty.
Khali dosa. What he told us that what you can serve kids. So maybe like a little bit like baby food.
हाँ. So it's
ना चटनी के
smaller.
साथ है ना कोई स्पाइस है. Ooh, very crispy on the outside. This is crispier than everything we've
it
had
is.
before. This is the first time I can taste the aloo palia because the dosas are very basic and there is no chutney or layer of podi or anything.
This is the sada dosa. Devangiri Benne sada dosa, which looks like a elder brother of the khali dosa.
It's the same, right?
Yeah, it's
This is one big and that is too small.
absolutely same. Except इसमें ये कोकोनट चटनी सर्व किया है, उसमें नहीं है.
This dance of soft and crisp, it's too good. If it was up to me, I would just keep going in circles. Eat that and this and that and this and then keep going back.
I still prefer this the best.
Really? One is working like a palate changer for the other, but you want to keep going back to the previous one.
इतना scientific नहीं होना है.
Arey yaar,
the best.
they are all good. That's the gist of it.
नॉर्मली जब आप मुंबई में मसाला डोसा बोलते हो तो उसमें मसाले में आलू होता है एंड तड़का होता है अदर थिंग्स.
आलू की सब्जी को हम मसाला कहते हैं.
बेसिकली आलू की सब्जी को मसाला कहते हैं. बट इन बेंगलुरु द मसाला इज गार्लिक चटनी एंड अ सादा डोसा इन बॉम्बे वो सादा डोसा होता है, मतलब उसके
Correct.
साथ कोई चटनी नहीं आती है. बट बेंगलुरु में सादा डोसा के साथ सब खत्म हो
आलू
गया.
सब्जी आ सकती है
आलू
लेकिन
पलिया
वो
आता है.
गार्लिक
गार्लिक
चटनी
चटनी
नहीं
नहीं होती है.
So that is the masala.
And that is the main difference between a Bengaluru and a Mumbai masala dosa.
I think these deserve to be eaten first because
Yeah.
the crunch is important and that's only when they are hot.
I agree.
I don't want the spoon
Okay.
because they are literally like babies, small little uddin vade slash medu vada.
Medu vada. I'm not a big fan of medu vadas.
Yeah, also we
Generally.
heard. They are very crispy.
Yes. And considering कि ये 5-7 मिनट बाहर रहा है, it's quite fab.
But I don't like all medu vadas that everyone makes. They really have to be good for me to like them.
Like I said, मेरा ऐसा मेदू वड़ा का कोई liking नहीं है, तो I would skip it in every South Indian restaurant.
Skip it because I want it.
Please.
Because
go.
it's damn good. In my first bite, I got a peppercorn. Must crunch. और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्यों अच्छा लगा क्योंकि नॉर्मली मेदू वड़ा बहुत अच्छा होगा तो ही अच्छा लगता है. The outside is crisp, but it's not thick. It's
Right.
really thin. And the
Right.
inside is super soft, like
Super
an
soft.
idli almost. इतनी पतली क्रिस्प परत मेदू वड़े थे आना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
All due respect. जहाँ पे बैटर इतना अच्छा है, डोसा इतना अच्छा है, what do you expect इडली?
This is what you got to
Superb.
expect.
Soft, porous, and the coconut chutney is adding the required spice to it.
And if you let it sit for a while, the idli will soak the juices and the watery part of the chutney.
it is.
Ooh. And I got a whole fried curry patta with it. And if you know me, you know my love for fried curry patta. I hope I pronounced this right. Puliogare. Puliogare. If there are any Kannadigas out there and if I have mispronounced it, please pardon me.
There are Karnataks out there. If you are watching us, then
Please watch us because we're eating food from your land and it's damn good. So this is basically tamarind rice.
I love it. I just love it. As a kid also, I've loved it.
A simple preparation, homely preparation. Peanuts, chana dal, onion, tamarind juice, red chilies, curry patta. Some jaggery, but I think it's an optional thing, right?
No, I like the jaggery also, and I like the spice levels of a tamarind rice. थोड़ा सा उसको, like I used to have it with curd, but you can skip it.
But this by itself is also too good. But one ingredient that is actually gluing it all together is the ghee.
And the tamarind,
The ghee is making it, slide in.
lovely. While you go around the world one more time, I will order coffee.
For me also.
2 filter coffees.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
One cold also.
Okay, 1 hot, 1 cold filter coffee. And while this is cold and doesn't need frothing, I will froth my filter coffee.
Okay, so while he's working up the drama, I'm going to chill.
While I'm pulling my coffee. Cheers.
After this, sorry, I already had a sip.
This is the kind of coffee I want every morning. Isn't it?
शायद आपको याद होगा, शायद तुझे याद होगा, हमने
मुझे याद है.
खार में ब्राह्मण कैफे
ब्राह्मण कैफे.
में दावनगेरे बेने डोसा खाया था. वो और ये बहुत ही अलग है,
It's very different.
राइट? उसका टेक्सचर अलग था, उसका टेस्ट अलग था, उसका बनाने का तरीका भी अलग था.
That was softer और उसमें I think साबुदाना था in the batter.
Yes.
और most important वो wood fire पे नहीं था.
नहीं था. तो हालांकि they are both calling themselves दावनगेरे और maybe we have to go to दावनगेरे to really see what is the OG.
But
you
until
know,
we go there, I like this one.
yeah, I like this one too.
And on that note, let's rate open dosa.
Is 10 on 10.
Only because I like the masala dosa, the open dosa is 9.5. The masala dosa,
With the garlic chutney and
Yeah.
the tomato chutney, potato mash and chutney, regular chutney is a 9 on 10 for me.
10 on 10.
खाली डोसा में कुछ ना लाइक करने जैसा है ही
मतलब
नहीं.
there is nothing that
I
you
mean,
will not like
कोई
it.
क्या ही रेट करेगा? उसे 10 on 10 for what it is.
Again 9.5 because I want mirchi in the dosa.
Then it won't be.
As in the chutney, no. But I'm eating it, so I'm allowed to rate it. Next.
The bene sada, superb dosa, 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
Chutney dunked idli.
9.
I would say this one is 8 for me. So I like my idlis a little fluffier. These were a little dense. Uddin vada, medu vada. Oh, 10 on 10. Very rarely you get medu vada with such a thin, crispy outside.
I will skip rating it because I'm not going to
He doesn't play this game
eat a
only.
medu vada. Yeah, unless it's on shoot, I will not eat a medu vada. So I'm skipping it. No offense to the owners over here, but I would generally skip a medu vada.
I think they're happy with my 10 on 10.
Tamarind rice, 15 on 10, 20, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just too much
Home run,
nostalgia. Yeah.
stadium के बाहर, excellent 10 on
Excellent
10,
tamarind
no
rice.
doubt.
Excellent tamarind rice. Coffee, I will never eat a coffee.
So on that world tour of dosas, this is the end of our episode.
आप लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर भी कीजिए और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि
खाने में क्या क्या है? क्या है?
अवनी भी है हमारे साथ आज.
खाने में नहीं है निखिल.
She is back. US returned.
इतना फुटेज देने की जरूरत
And we got a new intern who's no one has scared to introduce her to us.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Okay, we'll
So
come back to
tamarind
this.
rice. Please go back to the tamarind
We'll
rice.
come back to this. Let's finish the idli first.
Oh,
I'll tell you why.
it's like मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिफत भी.
Rifat B की मौत.
क्या कर रहे हो तेरा कौन रहा है
इधर 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 इडली इडली